just a body. Oh nah nah. This vest protect my body. Oh nah nah. Yo, what's good, Yenn family? Yo, today we got some more heat. This just dropped. One of the most hyped up shows of this year as far as anime. We finna get into this Chainsaw Man reaction. The way how y'all been tagging me to do this show, bro, I'm like, yo, I know the manga is good though. Trust me, I've been hearing it all year. Like, they've been hyping this show up so much. I'm like, this show better be good. Also too, TikTok been acting a little strange. I know most of y'all already know. If y'all don't really see me posting on TikTok like I normally do, I'm gonna definitely be on YouTube because I feel like YouTube is just better. I'm gonna just focus more of my time on YouTube. So if y'all don't see me post on TikTok, just, you know, I'm over here on YouTube. Same thing I did on TikTok, I'm gonna do on YouTube. But yeah, and I heard this show has a lot of gore to it, so of course I'm gonna be up here as far as this show. I don't even think I'm gonna post this on TikTok. If I do post it, it's gonna be like little certain scenes. It ain't gonna be the whole episode like I normally do. But if y'all want the whole episode, I'm gonna just post it on YouTube so y'all can get my reaction and we can, you know what I'm saying, it's like a watch party. But yeah, we finna get into this reaction. Follow, like, share, comment, subscribe to your boy. Thank you, I appreciate y'all. Okay. And Mappa supposed to have done this too. It's already looking clean. Mappa, hey, they the ghosts of this now. The animation. My boy in the back rooms. Oh snap! What happened? What happened? This jank is clean. Oh, he going to work. Okay, okay. Got a little job. This ain't clean though. What he do for work though? Kidney? You sold one of your what? Damn. Oh snap. It started off like this. What the heck is that thing? What the? Oh no. Oh. Hey, I be seeing these cosplays, bruh, at some cons. The Chainsaw Man cosplays be dope. Damn. Ooh. Of course. 70,000. Nah, that's highway robbery. I would have let the tomato devil eat you. Hey, that Yenn. Yenn family. Damn. Ooh, the Yakuza, okay. He's a devil hunter. Oh my god, he doing anything for money. That's fucked up. I knew he didn't eat it. That's a damn chainsaw dog. How did he get into that debt? I think they say his old man, right? Hey. How that little boy supposed to put all that money together the next day? What? Yakuza. It's a little Pokemon. It's a Pokemon. Oh, what's wrong? Ooh, that's how they must have got bonded together. Okay. Damn. So he been devil hunting that whole time. Facts, ayy. Oh, it's not. What's wrong with him? Damn, what's wrong with him? Oh man, don't tell me he got a heart disease too. He just got off. But that gang life. Gang gang. This animation clean. It's crisp. Crisp. This don't look promising. Shut up in the... He not there. He there to kill you. He there to get rid of you. Simple. What? Dang! Dang! And got him too. What the heck is that thing? A zombie? Oh! Oh! That won't even him. Oh! Not zombies. Nah, I wasn't even expecting that. Oh, snap! The man eyeball hanging out. Oh, man. Making me feel like I'm playing Call of Duty right now. Zombies. Run! 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 No! No, 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 no. Damn! No! Oh! Yo, what the heck? Damn, Dingy. His name is Dingy, right? Not Dingy. Damn, they threw the man in the dumpster. He got a taste of his blood again. And that means he can heal, right? Oh, and he cut down trees too. Okay, he did say that in the beginning. I don't know, I wasn't paying attention. I like Porsche. I think that's his name. He kind of cute. He like a Pokemon. He gonna take his body. Oh, they finna fuse. What? What? That's Porsche. Oh. Now he can talk. Oh. What? Nah, that's low-key kind of cute. I ain't gonna lie. He give him his heart and show him his dream. Oh. Oh, okay. Okay. Low-key kind of cute. And scary at the same time. How you gonna call somebody gross? Oh, nah, he finna snap. Yeah. Look at my man on the right. Oh, he finna yank. He can crank it up. Oh, snap. What's finna happen? Dang. Oh. What? Whoa. Dang! Oh, let's go! Damn! He's so fast though. I like the helmet. Damn! Oh, oh sh! Oh my god! Damn! Oh! 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 Oh my god! He is slicing through them. Oh! Oh! Yo! What the heck I just saw? A bloodbath. Uh-oh, who is this? Oh, he's still there. Oh. Ain't no way. He's both. Cause she a female. Oh, she did it too. Oh, so that's how it deactivate. Okay, so they devil hunters. Of course it'd be more though. Go ahead, take it. You get well fed. Have somewhere to stay. Facts. His favorite. He said that earlier. He in love. Dang, okay, yo, what? My man was slicing and dicing. Yo, it gives me JJK vibes. I hope people don't overhype this. I'ma just take it with a grain of salt. It's definitely I see the potential. I see the potential. The animation is good. I could see the fighting being good, and I could see him using that chainsaw in multiple ways too. I could see him doing something. I like how the chainsaw come between his fingers. It's weird though. It's like it's a weird transformation. I ain't never seen nothing like it. And then it's like on his forehead, I could kind of see him doing something else with it too. So that's why when I was saying like it has a lot of potential. So I mean, this just first episode. First episode was decent. I like it. I enjoyed it. Man just trying to survive. You feel me? And you know, he doing whatever it takes to make money. And I like the little chainsaw devil thing. That thing look like a Pokemon. It's like a dog. Like I rock with it. But yeah, thanks Yenn family. The time you see this, it's gonna be up on my YouTube. Make sure you like, share, subscribe to your boy, comment what y'all want me to look at. I'm also gonna upload Blue Lock. I'm gonna upload a whole bunch of stuff. So yeah, we on this YouTube grind. So let's go. Let's, you know, Yenn family. Hey, we're gonna be the biggest on YouTube. We already, you know what I'm saying? Then they came up on TikTok, and it's time to take over YouTube. Let's go. Love y'all.